Food carries meanings that go far beyond simple survival. From a sociological perspective, food is not just nourishment for the body. It is nourishment for culture, identity, and social belonging. Sociologists have long recognized that food operates as a powerful social symbol. The French sociologist Pierre Bourdieu argued that taste, whether in art, music, or food, is shaped by social class. What people consider good food often reflects their upbringing, education, and economic environment. Fine dining, organic products, your traditional home-cooked meals can all signal different forms of cultural capital. Anthropologists also point out that food functions as a language through which societies express their values. In many Mediterranean cultures, long communal meals symbolize hospitality and family unity. In Japan, the careful presentation of dishes reflects cultural ideals of harmony and balance. In many Middle Eastern societies, generosity toward guests is expressed through abundant meals. Food therefore becomes a way of performing social values. The sociologist Claude Lévi-Strauss famously proposed that cooking itself reflects cultural thinking. His culinary triangle suggested that societies transform raw ingredients into cooked dishes in ways that reflect deeper cultural structures. The difference between raw, cooked, and preserved foods is not merely technical. It reflects symbolic distinctions within culture. Modern sociologists also examine how globalization is transforming food culture. Scholars like George Ritzer describe how global fast food chains have standardized eating habits around the world through what he calls McDonaldization. Efficiency, predictability, and uniformity begin to replace local traditions. Yet, at the same time, many societies resist this trend by reviving traditional cuisines and local food movements. Food also plays a central role in constructing identity. For immigrants and diasporic communities, traditional dishes often become powerful reminders of home. Preparing familiar meals helps preserve cultural memory across generations. A recipe passed from grandmother to grandchild can carry history, emotion, and belonging. Contemporary scholars such as Arjun Appaduri have shown how cuisine travels across borders and adapts to new environments. When food moves between cultures, it changes. Ingredients are substituted, flavors are modified, and entirely new culinary traditions emerge. What we call authentic food is therefore often the result of historical exchange. Food also structures everyday social life. Sociologists study where people eat, who they eat with, and how meals are organized. Family dinners reinforce social bonds. Street food creates public social spaces. Religious meals and fasting rituals shape moral and spiritual discipline. Perhaps that is why food remains one of the most powerful social experiences. It connects individuals to families, families to cultures, and cultures to the world.